Imagine waking up to find 10 lakh crore wiped out in a single day. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, that's exactly what happened on Bloody Monday as the stock markets took a nosedive. But what caused this massive crash, and what does it mean for you? Let's break it down in simple terms and uncover the truth behind this financial chaos. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most shocking days in the history of the Indian stock market. Bloody Monday. On this day, investors lost a staggering 10 lakh crore as the markets tanked. But what exactly happened? Why did this crash occur? And most importantly, what should you do as an investor? Let's get into it. The day started like any other, but within hours, the Sensex and Nifty plummeted, wiping out billions of dollars in market value. The term Bloody Monday quickly trended as investors scrambled to understand the reasons behind this massive sell-off. So, what caused this crash? Well, there are a few key factors. Global market turmoil. International markets were already under pressure due to rising inflation and fears of interest rate hikes. This had a ripple effect on Indian markets. Geopolitical tensions, ongoing conflicts, and uncertainties around the world made investors nervous, leading to a flight to safety. Domestic factors, rising crude oil prices, a weakening rupee, and concerns about corporate earnings added to the panic. Experts say that while such crashes are unsettling, they're not entirely uncommon. Markets go through cycles of ups and downs, and this is part of the game. But for retail investors, days like these can be terrifying. So, what should you do if you're an investor? First, don't panic. Market crashes are temporary, and history shows that markets eventually recover. Second, use this as an opportunity to review your portfolio. Are your investments aligned with your long-term goals? And finally, consider consulting a financial advisor to make informed decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. While Bloody Monday was a tough day, it's important to stay focused on your financial goals and not let short-term volatility derail your plans. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insights into the world of finance. And let me know in the comments, how did Bloody Monday impact you? Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.